In this video, we'll be showing you the way we bundle Mylar rain curtains for storage at Theatre Wichita. Prior to gathering the rain curtain for storage, you'll want to place several crew members evenly across the front of the curtain, approximately 6 to 8 feet apart. We'll only be demonstrating on a small section of curtain in this video. Make sure each crew member has several ties to tie up the curtain into bundles as it flies in. Begin with the curtain just above ground level and have each crew member gather 6 to 8 feet of Mylar, tying with a simple bow about 3 feet from the bottom. Once this first tie is done across the entire width of the curtain, slowly fly in the curtain, with each crew member tending to their own section. After the curtain has flown in approximately 4 feet, have your fly person stop and have each member of the crew tie on another tie to their bundles. Continue onward in this manner until you are near the webbing at the top of the curtain. Untie the top of the curtain from the batten and let it sit on the floor. When returning to a bag for storage, the bottom of the drape goes in first. Gather the bottoms of all the individual bundles that have been created and feed the drape into the bag. It helps to have 2 people holding the bag open. Finally, place the webbing on top where it can be easily retrieved for future use. Put any excess bundle ties in the bag on top.